There's a possibility that that Samsung phone that you're holding on your hand over there is not original. Now, how do you find out if your Samsung phone is original or fake? I've made a video on this through another method, and I showed you guys how to find out if your Samsung phone is original or fake. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you two codes that you have to dial in that your Samsung phone that you're holding over there to know if that Samsung is original Samsung or a fake Samsung. Now, before you rush and dial this code, and at the end of the day, it doesn't pop up what is meant to pop up, and you rush to your seller and start holding your seller responsible, calling police for your seller. Before you rush, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you something that is going to prevent this particular code from not working on your phone. But at the end of this video, if you type this code and it doesn't work, before you finish watching this video, you should know the next thing that you have to do. You have to go and off your phone so that this particular code will work. But if you put that off and type this code, and if that doesn't work, that means your Samsung is fake. All right? Now, let me share the two codes that you have to dial in your Samsung phone to know if your Samsung phone is original or not. Then at the end of this video, I will show you what you're going to turn off in your phone in case if these two codes doesn't work. Once you turn that off and type these two codes, it's going to work. Now, the very first code that you need to type to know if your Samsung phone is original or not is *#12580 *369, then click on hash. And once you click on hash, this is going to bring out your phone main version. Okay, you guys can see main version, BL, numbers, AP, CP, CSC, RAF call, then and HW ref. Okay, now that is for the first code. Once you type this on your Samsung, it's going to pop out this. Now let's go back and type the second code. The second code is *2663#. Now over here, this is going to bring out your Wi-Fi information and your TSP FW updates. Okay, now in case if your Wi-Fi is having an issue, over here you can click on refresh Wi-Fi version, and your phone is going to refresh everything that has to do with your Wi-Fi, and your Wi-Fi is going to start working perfectly in case if your Wi-Fi is having issue or your internet is not connecting or it's kind of slow or anything. You can refresh Wi-Fi and it's going to refresh it from the root of this phone. Okay, now in case if you type this and it did not work on your phone, let me show you what you have to do. Okay, I'm going to still type this code again after owning this thing, and you're going to see that it's not going to work on my phone. Now come over to your phone and go to setting. Now scroll all the way down and go to security and privacy. Click on security and privacy. Over here you can see auto blocker. Once your auto blocker is on, once this auto blocker is on, if I come over here and type this code *2663#, this is not going to do anything. It's not going to change. You guys can see. Now let me remove only the hash and go back there and turn off this auto blocker. Once I turn off auto blocker and put my fingerprint, is off. Once I come over to this code and put hash, you guys can see that it has changed. So make sure that your auto blocker is turned off. If your auto blocker is turned on, this code is not going to work in your phone. All right, now you guys can see the two codes that you can dial in your Samsung phone to know if it's original or not, and drop in the comment section if this actually worked in your Samsung phone and you've seen what you're meant to turn off in case if that code doesn't work. Now if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you follow for more tips like this.